What is up, guys? Today I'm gonna be showing you how you can buy a single product from Alibaba. Now the first thing you need to do, guys, is to log in into your Alibaba account. I'm going to do that right now. I'm just going to log in using my Facebook account. Now after, guys, you log in, what you need to do, guys, next is you need to search for the product that you want to buy. So if you want to buy, for example, AirPods, you just want to search for AirPods, and the next thing you need to do, which is very important, is to check this. Okay, it's called ready to ship, like the product features. Under the product features, you need to select or check this ready to ship. Now what this is going to do, it will stop showing you suppliers who don't have these items in stock. Now it will only show you items that are in stock and you can order them right now. Now the next thing you need to do, guys, after you check ready to ship, is to select here where it says max minimum order amount. You want to add here 1, so that Alibaba will stop showing you suppliers who don't accept one purchase or one item. Like, you can't buy one from them, you can only buy large quantities like 100, 200. So if you select 1, if you put here 1 in the minimum order amount, click OK. Now all these items that you are seeing right now, you can easily buy them and you can add them to your cart. Now for example, if you want to buy, for example, this item, click on the item, and what you need to do, guys, next is you want to click on start order. Okay, in the right, you want to click on start order, and you just need to add your own address. But before you click on start order, you want to select you want to click this plus, so that you can select how many items you want. You want to select this plus. Okay, now I always buy 1 from Alibaba. Now that's what you need, guys. That's why you clicked on this video, because you want to buy 1 piece. Of course, if you want to buy multiple pieces, you want to just increase. You want to just click this plus again, and now you have selected 2. But if you click this negative, it's 1. Okay, now you want to click on start order, and next thing you need to do is just need to add your address, just like you do on Amazon or Walmart or whatever e-commerce websites you are used to buy from. You just need to add your address. As you can see, this is my address. It's called United States, Los Angeles, California. You need to add address, and you just need to add country, address, and states, city, zip code, and contact name and phone number. Now after you add your address information, you want to scroll down and you need to add here your credit card. Now this is very important, guys. You need to add here your credit card so that you can pay for this. Okay, now after you add your credit card, this is going to be your shipping fee. If you see something is not if it's expensive for you, you don't like the prices you see right now, you just want to find someone else, okay, and see if they can offer cheaper prices, like including the shipping. If you can find cheap prices with shipping, if you can find free shipping, that would be better. Okay, now if you are happy with this price, you just need to click on pay now, and this product will be paid, and after like 2 days you will receive an email. Okay, or an email, you will receive an email with a tracking number. You can then copy the tracking number and go to this website. It's called 70 track, and you just need to paste here the tracking number, just like me. As you can see, this is my tracking number, and you will just track the order until it arrives in your house. Okay, now if you didn't receive the email, you just need to click on my Alibaba, click or orders, and now you will find the list of your orders here. Okay, and now after you find here the orders, you will find the tracking number next to the product. You will find the tracking number, copy it, go to 70 track, and you want to just track the order. Okay, hopefully this video, guys, helped you. If it does, leave a like, subscribe, let me know in the comments if this works. If you need any help, I reply to every single comment. See you guys next video.